Many companies with a long history, even in Western Europe, are proud that they are still family-owned. This leads to a different attitude towards the business. My son used to joke that this is his little brother.
In family companies like ours, the client always has the opportunity to get better service, a better product, and to more easily reach the person who will get the job done.
In our long history, and I can now say it is a long one, we have never had a project either completed by us or by a client that has had any complaints, not a single one.
What we are proud of is that the recuperators we produce were certified by Eurovent last year. They are the 11th product that Eurovent has certified in this field. The air conditioning and ventilation units are ranked 72nd in the world.
But the certificate opens doors for us, and I understand why. And this is also a guarantee, a protection for the client that they will receive what they have been promised.
I am proud that we are innovators, that the first recuperator produced in Bulgaria was my father's work, and that right now we are the only Bulgarian manufacturer and the only manufacturer of recuperators certified by Eurovent in the Balkans. What I believe has put us ahead of some of our partners in Europe is that we offer efficient products that deliver genuinely higher efficiency, meeting the standards that will come into force in 2023 or 2030, while we have been producing them since 2013.
We have production lines for high-efficiency recuperators. We achieve energy savings and an efficiency of over 85%, which has put us years ahead of the European energy saving standards.
Our clients know everything they need to know. We are extremely transparent, so anyone who wishes can visit us and see the work process in every part of the company. In the offices, the sales department, the production facility, the warehouse, we have nothing to hide.
What excites us is definitely to be better, to offer a more effective, high-quality solution that will bring benefits to both the investor and the occupants of a building. And for society as well.
We make a commitment and take care of the client throughout the entire process. From start to finish, we are responsible to the client.